After Kanye West and R. Kelly's former publicist Trevian Kutti posted an Instagram live video appearing to threaten Georgia election worker Ruby Freeman, Fulton County prosecutors are considering asking Judge Scott McAfee to revoke her bail. Meanwhile, Washington. Forms are being sent to prospective jurors in the case of what is believed to be interference the federal election. The forms show that if the case proceeds as planned, a decision in former President Donald Trump's trial could be made before this summer's Republican National Convention. Georgia election interference prosecutors consider asking judge to revoke Trevian Kutti's bail. Key players journalist Trevian Kutti, Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis, election worker Ruby Freeman, former Black Voices for Trump founder Harrison Floyd. Judge Scott McAfee Willis' team is considering asking McAfee revoke Kutti's bond after he was found to have posted an Instagram live video that appeared threatened Freeman. CNN reported, citing a source familiar with the matter. "There's a woman sitting somewhere and it's all lies. I never did anything to her. Who I never did. She begged me for help. There is a woman sitting somewhere who knows that when this is over, I will destroy her entire life," Kutti wrote. Last month, Willis asked McAfee to jail Floyd over tweets in which he continued to mention possible witnesses in the case. McAfee denied this but placed stricter limits on his speech than before. Why it matters like Trump. Kutti and Floyd tested the limits of free speech rights against safety concerns among witnesses, judges, prosecutors and court staff. But Kutti's post comes closest to a direct threat. Defense want call Eric Trump to testify in case of reversal. Key players Trump.org. Vice President Alan Garton. Accounting expert Eli Bartov. New York Attorney General Letitia James. Trump's second eldest son will no longer be called to testify by the defense at Engoron's hearing, which will decide penalties for years of financial carried out by Trump, his adult sons and family businesses. NBC News reported. Eric Trump, who is also named as a defendant in James' Chapter 250 million civil lawsuit, originally scheduled to take the stand again on Wednesday. But Garton told NBC that everything Eric was going to tell told by other witnesses. On Thursday, the former president is expected return to the courtroom. Watch Bartov's testimony. Trump is scheduled to be the last witness called by the defense on December 11. James will then call 2 witnesses for a quick rebuttal, which is expected to be completed next Tuesday. Why it matters. Eric Trump claimed in his previous statement that he did not work on the company's financial statements. That prosecutors presented as evidence appeared to contradict those claims. Interference in the January 6 election. D.C. court sends survey to potential jurors in Trump trial. Key players. Special counsel Jack Smith, Judge Tanya Chutkan. The U.S. District Court for